Hello, sir. I'm Luan, the creator of Grind Journal. What's your name, sir?
I'm Dave Bargilia.
Can you tell us more about yourself and what is Hasuro Worldwide?
Dave Argilia, 21 years old, from Naik, Cavite, and ang Hasro Worldwide ay mas kilala sa TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Ang Hasro Worldwide ay streetwear. Yeah, at meron siyang 400K followers sa TikTok.
Do you really see yourself as a negosyante back then?
Yes, kasi yung family ko, businessman and businesswoman sila eh. So, doon ako lumaki talaga.
When did you hit your first million?
Actually, last year lang. Last year lang talaga. Pero sobrang tagal ko nang nagbi-business. Almost 4 or 5 years na rin talaga.
So, being in the game for 5 years, ano yung naging biggest factor mo kung paano mo naabot yung first million mo?
Um, Sobrang halaga talaga para sa akin yung teamwork. Sobrang halaga ng teamwork. Sobrang hirap makuha ng first million kung ikaw lang mag-isa.
So,
Siguro merong ibang nakakuha ng first million na sila lang mag-isa. Well, congrats sa kanila, pero para sa akin talaga the best ang may teamwork.
so you surrounded yourself with good people na makakatulong pa para umangat yung business mo.